Hello, and welcome to our May product release webinar. We here at Revigy appreciate the time taken out of your day to participate in our webinar series to learn about our latest features. I'm Shelly Alliston, Product Manager here at Revigy, and I'm very excited to walk you all through some of our most recent features. Today, we will cover enhancements to our discussion feature, which includes the ability to mention team members and in-app notifications. Our time series feature for many column tables, which allows you to track historical data from your CRM in Revigy. And I will review our new multi-instance search pilot that allows collaboration across multiple Revigy instances to gain valuable insights around goals and key players for global accounts. Before we begin, we want you to know that your feedback and questions are important to us. If you have any questions throughout the presentation, please feel free to post them in the chat, and our team will be sure to follow up with you via email. Now, let's jump into enhancements around discussions. The discussion feature has been enhanced to include the ability to mention team members and your entire team to draw more attention to important messages, comments, or notes. When in discussion, you can enter an aspirand or the @ symbol in the text editor. This displays a list of team members that you can select for mention. Don't see who you're looking for? You can begin typing the team member's name of who you would like to mention, and the list will filter the results so you can quickly find who you are looking for. It is important to note that team members must be Revigy users in order to be selected for mention. After you've selected the team member that you would like to mention and save the message, you will see that their name appears in bold. In this example, I'm logged in as Joe, and I see that there is a new message on this map. When we open the panel, we see where Joe was mentioned. We see the name of the mentioned team member in bold, and the new message is highlighted in blue with an indication that this is an unread message. Not only can you mention a specific team member, but you can also mention the entire team. This is useful when you want to draw attention to your entire team on a map or contact. Maybe you have a contact that you have been working on improving your relationship with and finally get a breakthrough. You may want to leave a message about this big win for your entire team, as this is a significant update that could impact future goals and progress the deal. You can see here when the message is sent with the team mention, it is also displayed in bold within the discussion. Mentioning the team is a great way to make sure your team in Revigy is up to date on the latest information regarding a contact or map. We will explore more benefits to mentioning team members in the next section. Now, we will review in-app account notifications for discussion. With the latest 4.12 release, we have added notifications for missed discussion and team member mentions. Let's explore how these two differ and what you can expect to see in the notification panel for discussion. Revigy users that are a part of the account team will receive notifications when they are mentioned in a discussion or when the entire team is mentioned. There are two new tabs in the notification panel where users can filter their notifications by mentions or by discussion. The Mentions tab in the panel will show users where they or the entire team has been mentioned. These notifications display when the mention occurred, who mentioned, and on what discussion this occurred. Filtering your notifications by mentions can help you quickly review what is important and easily access the discussion right from the notification panel. The Discussions tab works a little differently. From this tab, you can find all the discussion happening in the account that you may have missed from the last 90 days. Maybe there are important notes that you need to follow up on or review for an upcoming sync. The Discussion tab eliminates the need to navigate through Revigi to locate discussion you may be looking for. From here, you can quickly open discussion and keep track of team communication you have not seen. In this example, I can see that there are 2 discussions I haven't viewed yet that I may need to review. You can open discussion from the notification panel to review messages left by your team. By clicking on the name of the map or contact where discussion has occurred, the map or contact is opened with focus on the discussion. For contacts, the Contact Details dialog is opened wherever you are in the account with focus on the Discussion tab. For maps, the map and discussion panel are opened in the same way, so you can quickly review and add to discussion when needed. Up next, time series for many column tables. Time series can be enabled for many column tables to track and review trends over a period of 18 months. With the latest updates to this feature, you can view trends month over month as well as quarter over quarter. And you can track historical CRM data in Revigi by enabling integrated tables. Let's take a closer look at this feature. Time series creates a monthly snapshot of your many column table values, so you can review trends and see if the dynamic is positive or negative. Not only can you review Revigi data in your many column table, but this feature also includes tables integrated with your CRM, so you can track all important data over time. It is important to note that all external data should be pushed to Revigi regularly to ensure you have accurate data. You will have access to 18 months of historical data to select and view in the table. Select a month from the dropdown for review, sorted by date. The data is always captured on the last day of the month, with current and initial states always available for you to review. Selecting a month from the dropdown will update the table to reflect the state of the table when the snapshot was taken. When viewing previous periods, edit access is not available. Simply return to the current period to edit your many column table. Reviewing trends quarter over quarter is based on your fiscal year schedule. Select quarter from the toggle and you can see the dropdown has changed. The dropdown displays the quarter and the date that the snapshot was taken. Again, the data is always captured on the last day of the month, with current and initial states always available for you to review. Not only can you review the state of the entire many column table, but you can also drill into specific values. Selecting the icon displayed here on Hover opens the time series pop-up. This is where you can see a history of how the data changed over time up to the selected period. Often, this data is useful outside of Revigi. By selecting the export option from the dialog, you can export this data as either CSV or Excel. It is important to note that the visualization is not available for export, only the data table that we see here. Not all of your data in your mini column table will equate to a numerical value. In these cases, Revigy will display a data table that contains changes to the selected value over time up to the selected period. In this example, we can see how the stage of this opportunity has been updated quarter over quarter. The final feature we will review in today's webinar is the multi-instance search pilot. This highly anticipated feature, which is part of our pilot program, is designed to address challenges arising from multiple CRMs within your organization. It enables seamless collaboration across accounts in various Revigy instances. Are your global and regional accounts distributed across separate CRMs and Revigy instances? This innovative feature enables you to search through these accounts in Revigy instances, providing valuable insights about goals and other stakeholders, all while promoting collaboration among teams to strengthen global and regional connections. You can search across Revigy instances by account name or by DUNS number. Then access each account by clicking on the account name. In the account, you will have read-only access to review these details. The main navigation menu contains a helpful reminder that you have read-only access, and on click, you can quickly return to the multi-instance search page. Maybe there is another strategy you haven't explored that is working well in a different region. With multi-instance search, you can easily review, discover, and collaborate on how you may want to adjust your approach. If you are interested in participating in the pilot program and want to learn more about this feature, please reach out to your Customer Success Manager for more details. And with that, we will wrap up today's webinar. Thank you all for joining. Before we say goodbye, we have some announcements to share with you. We want to inform you about upcoming releases that we have planned. The 4.13 release, which will be in production on July 1st, will include the ability to link multiple revenue growth ideas and opportunities to project cards and strategy maps, linking external URLs to documents and folders, as well as existing documents to tasks, and improvements to the account health score feature. You can see we have a tentative release schedule planned for the year, so mark these dates on your calendar and stay tuned for more information on future enhancements. Lastly, we invite you to join us as we look to the future with our upcoming event, Revigy Customer Connect 2023. Join your peers for a unique opportunity to network, collaborate, and shape the future of Revigy. This is your chance to make your voice heard and help drive the next wave of innovation in sales. We look forward to seeing you there. Once again, thank you for attending today's webinar. I hope you found it informative and are excited for what's to come. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any further questions. We look forward to staying connected with you and seeing you at our upcoming events. Have a great day.